Every autumn, forests around the world turn into a breathtaking sea of gold, orange, and crimson. But have you ever wondered why trees go through this dazzling transformation, and what purpose those vivid colors really serve? It's one of nature's most beautiful mysteries. And surprisingly, science still doesn't have a final answer. Driving through New York's Hudson Valley in mid-October, or Japan's mountain valleys in November, you'll see leaves bursting into fiery reds and bright yellows, like fireworks across the landscape. But go further north, to places like Maine or Scotland, and the colors fade, replaced by browns and muted golds. In the UK, most native trees, like oak and beech, turn yellow, while red hues come mostly from imported species. In Japan and North America, however, the red maples dominate, drawing millions of leaf peepers each fall. So, why do trees go through all this trouble for just a few weeks of color before dropping their leaves? The chemistry is clear. During spring and summer, leaves are green because of chlorophyll, the pigment that absorbs sunlight to make food. But when daylight shortens and temperatures drop, trees begin reabsorbing nutrients from their leaves to save energy for winter. As the green fades, other pigments appear. Carotenoids give us yellows and oranges, colors that were there all along, hidden under the green. Anthocyanins create reds and purples, pigments that the tree actually produces anew each autumn. But here's the real mystery. Why do trees spend valuable energy to make new pigments, right before shedding their leaves? One leading idea is that these red pigments act like natural sunscreen. As leaves age, they become more fragile. The red anthocyanins protect them from excess sunlight, preventing oxidative stress, damage caused by too much solar radiation. This theory fits perfectly with what we see. Regions with more sunlight and sharp temperature swings, like eastern North America and East Asia, tend to have more trees with red leaves. In short, the red is a protective coat, helping trees safely pull nutrients from their leaves before winter hits. Another fascinating theory is the insect coevolution theory. Some scientists believe the bright red colors evolved as a warning signal to pests, particularly aphids, telling them, "This tree is strong, not worth feeding on." It's like a natural keep-out sign. However, not all scientists agree. Aphids can't actually see red the same way humans do. To them, red may look gray or even black. So while this theory sounds exciting, the evidence remains mixed. Evolutionary biologists like Suzanne Renner and David Wilkinson suggest it might not be just one reason. Maybe red leaves both protect from sunlight and send subtle signals to insects. Other researchers even think the red pigments help break down carbohydrates more efficiently, a kind of recycling before the leaves fall. And here's a fun twist. Over centuries, humans might have also played a role by planting and preserving the brightest, most beautiful trees in parks and cities, unintentionally shaping evolution through our aesthetic choices. One thing scientists do agree on: climate change is altering autumn's palette. Warmer temperatures and droughts cause leaves to turn brown early or skip their bright phase entirely. In Maine, for example, shallow-rooted trees, the ones that normally give off the most brilliant reds, are now fading faster and duller due to stress. As the planet warms, the future of fall's fiery displays might look a little less vivid. So next time you walk beneath a canopy of golden and scarlet leaves, remember, you're witnessing one of nature's most complex and debated performances, a chemical ballet of beauty, survival, and mystery. Science may not yet have all the answers, but maybe that's part of what makes autumn so magical.